Hey guys, it's me again. I'm never going to be friends with Montana McKay and Ethan Olsen. They both are backstabbers and talking behind my back with nasty shit about me. Wish I don't deserve it. They both need to stay the hell away from me and my partner and stop copying us.
See